Hello, happy Friday everyone. My name is Noura Al-Masri. I am enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service and the founder of Noura's Books. Today I just want to talk to you about avoiding penalty and interest. If you do not file on time, you will be subject to penalty and interest with the IRS. We all know, like, filing due date, tax date this year is going to be April 18. So you should file and pay the taxes you owe on April 18. If you already filed, like, you can choose the withdrawal date, or you can send a check to the IRS. As long as they receive it by April 18, you should be okay. There's no penalty and there's no interest on that because you paid online. Now, if you don't think you can file on time, you want to make sure to file an extension. If you file an extension, that will give you 6 more months. That will give you until October 15 of 2022 to file, so you have plenty of time. You want to make sure you either file on time or make an extension by the due date. If you do not do that, you might be subject to penalty. Failure to pay failure to file penalty is really, it can become very a financial burden on you. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you file, even if you don't have enough money to pay what you owe. You want to make sure you file or make an extension. Keep in mind when you do an extension, if that's what you decided to do, that is the extension is to file, not to pay. If you do not pay, then you will be subject to the interest if you owe money. If you owe money. So make sure you file on time or make an extension. That's very crucial for you. Failure to file penalty starts at 5% per month. 5% per month for each month that tax return is late. So no matter, you don't want to pay extra 5% penalty just because you didn't file or you didn't pay. It can go up to 25% of the total, and it is based on the amount you owe. You should still pay and as much as you could, because if you do not pay, like I said, you will be subject to penalty and interest. And you want to see your options. If you think you owe so much and you are not in the position that you can pay, you can talk to your tax advisor and see if you are eligible to pay, to have a payment plan, or look at your options so you are not entitled to a penalty or interest. You don't want to pay so much, right? So okay, so now the failure to pay penalty is based on what you owe. It is usually half of 1%, like half of the percent of each month the tax is not paid. It is calculated from the original payment deadline, so it's the clock will start ticking on the dates that the tax is due. So April 18, they're gonna start calculating and accrue your interest that you will have to pay. If you don't take care of it, like, they're gonna be sending you those letters, and then you wish like you had filed on time and paid, right? So max combined penalty is 25% in the first 5 months. That's the maximum penalty you can be entitled to. But why would you put yourself entitled to a penalty or interest, right? So make sure you file on time. If you need assistance with your taxes, you haven't filed yet, please feel free to book a free strategy session with me. I put the link here on the title of the video, and you can just click the link, book a free session, and we'll be talking to you, and we can make sure you are filing on time. If we did not talk to you before April 8th and we didn't have your file by April 8th, we will have to put you on extension, just so we can have enough time to file an accurate return, because the last thing we want to do is just to file in a hurry where we miss some stuff, or miss any deduction or credit that you might be entitled to, just because we are in a hurry. So if we do not get your paper by April 18, all your paperwork that we need for tax return, we will have to put you on extension, which is fine, but you want to make sure, like, if you think you're gonna have to pay what you think you're gonna owe, as much as we can estimate it and see, like, how much do you think you will owe, and just pay it. Otherwise, if you think you are gonna get money, or you're not gonna owe anything, then you'll be fine as long as you do the extension. Feel free to book a call. As I said, April 8th is the last day we can accept clients for to meet the deadline. Otherwise, we still can accept you and welcome all the clients. We just have to put you on extension on extension, as I said. So, talk to you soon. If you have any question, feel free to just put your question below, or DM me, or just email Noura at nourasbooks.com. I'll be happy to either make a video to answer your questions, or just maybe we need to talk, and we need to have a call, and we can talk about whatever you have need to be answered. Okay, talk to you soon, and have a great weekend.